Your security is the most important thing to consider when it comes to safeguarding your home and business premises. You simply cannot afford to not secure your property. To ensure you and your family are protected against burglars or intruders. That's where we come in. Here at SRC Security Systems Limited, we offer a large range of security solutions, including high-tech burglar alarm installations, the latest in CCTV technology, intruder alarms, access control, intercoms, locks, safes, and much more. Expert advice is readily available.